Hello and welcome to AI Medical School, your go-to source for the latest information on health, medicine, and medical education. Before we get started, please be advised that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for medical advice. If you have any concerns or questions about your health, please consult a qualified healthcare professional. Also, if you enjoy this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of new content. By the way, if you missed our previous video on acne and its treatment, be sure to check it out by clicking on the pop-up link here. In that video, we covered everything you need to know about what causes acne, how to treat it, and tips for prevention. It's a great complement to today's video on Adapalene Gel, so be sure to give it a watch if you haven't already. Today, we're going to be talking about Adapalene Gel, a popular topical medication used to treat acne. Adapalene is a type of retinoid, which means it helps to unclog pores and prevent new pimples from forming. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne. One of the benefits of Adapalene Gel is that it's available in different strengths, so your healthcare provider can tailor your treatment to your specific needs. It's also available in combination with other acne medications, such as Benzoyl Peroxide, to provide even greater benefits. When using Adapalene Gel, it's important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully. You should apply a thin layer of the gel to the affected areas once a day, preferably in the evening. It's also important to avoid excessive exposure to sunlight and to wear protective clothing and sunscreen when you're outside. It's normal to experience some redness, dryness, or peeling when you first start using Adapalene Gel. These side effects usually improve over time as your skin becomes accustomed to the medication. If you experience severe side effects or have any concerns, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider. That's all for today's video on Adapalene Gel. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new medication, and always follow their instructions carefully. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health, medicine, and medical education. Thanks for watching AI Medical School, and we'll see you in the next video.